on healthy living and preventive health, and these are carry-home messages for these women, of course, and through these women you pass it on to your friends and to more people around us.
Do you have repeat contestants coming in? I mean, ones who've tried out the last time and didn't make it, but
as a criteria, we also had, you see, those ladies who had qualified for the finalist group last year were not allowed to participate this year. So we wanted to give others a chance. Right. And I think there are very few who participated last year, but there's much more number this year. And we see ladies and from the age group 30 to 60, from different ethnicities and also from different profession groups. And actually when you look through the profile, there is a whole lot of diverse profession group. Some are lawyers, some are managers, some are bankers, some are, I think there's also there are a couple of teachers out there, so we're glad that we had a very good response.
You have homemakers as well?
Oh yes, a lot of them. That is the biggest job I think that the mothers do.
Why did you decide to increase the prize money?
Okay, basically to get more public attention and more participation, and I think that has also helped. And if there's more money, definitely, I think it motivates a lot of people to look at it more seriously.
Oh yes, 25 grand, my God.
25 grand is only the first prize, and the second prize 10 grand, and the third prize 5. And apart from that, I think there are a lot of other things which are lined up for the gifts and sponsorships, which is huge. So that'll also,
What happens after?
Okay, the process, the objective still goes on. I think that its program is only an alibi for us to, stage as a platform to build this awareness. So after that, life goes on in terms of, bringing in more awareness and understanding on importance of micronutrients. It's so important to build us these 4 essential pillars we've been talking about and focusing on. Healthy skin, healthy heart, healthy liver, healthy joints are very core for people who are in the aging group and people who have a very hectic and stressful lifestyle. And so life goes on. I think with these 20 ambassadors, we'll be able to spread message to even more people, and we'll have more such programs, maybe at a smaller scale. And that's why we're recruiting our Privilege Glow members, to become part of the whole process. So they will be called for more health and awareness talks along with the Wellness Society of Malaysia, and we expect to get them in to have more wellness and health assessment boot camps. So that's how I think the awareness builds up. Well, and hopefully we have a healthier society around us.
Well, before we conclude, maybe you can touch on what the products of Mega Life Sciences, right? How good it is in terms of building the 4 pillars of wellness. The micronutrients.
It's very important to understand the role of micronutrition. Now, we all get very enamored by macronutrition, the daily diet that we take, but as we age, the lifestyle that we lead into, the micronutrients, the micro is in the minute form, and the nutrients which go into making our cells, inner cellular level, energy and makeup is what, gets depleted through the aging process or lifestyle. So it's very so many people ignore that. I think so. It's a combination of healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, and health supplements, micronutrients, and which have to be specific to certain needs. A lot of people misuse or get carried away by terminologies like antioxidants. Every antioxidant is not good for everything.
That's
The antioxidants are good for particular function in the body. So these micronutrients which you're talking about, good for heart, skin, liver and joints are specifically, I'm not going to talk more about the product details here, people can look up our website, but they're specifically clinically validated and specifically there to help build us these essential health pillars that we have.
All right. So there you go. Sudhir, thank you so much. Once again, kudos. And Daphne, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us this morning. And yes, somebody is out there going to be winning 25 grand and 10 and 5. That's right. Or 10 or 5, but whatever it is, the most important thing is remember that you actually get a fantastic life lesson when you go through this whole process.
Yeah, and like what Daphne has said, just have fun and enjoy the journey, the whole experience. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
That's right. All right, so we are going to go Langkawi with Jimmy Fong right after this. And of course, we're going to come into our next topic. But you know what? Let's travel to Langkawi with Jimmy Fong. Take it away.
Over to you.